I can't wait for the party.
Same here.
Agreed.
Oh yes! I'm looking forward to the fireworks.
I'm looking forward to seeing the countdown.
Driver says he's looking forward to root beer.
This is going to be the best New Year's ever.
I'm looking forward to what next year has for us.
Yeah, this is gonna be lit.
Lit? Like the fireworks?
Yes, like the fireworks.
So, who's excited for the New Year's?
I know I am.
Same here, I know it'll be fun.
Indeed. Hey, where's Cliff with the fireworks?
Right here. Just in time.
Thank you, Cliff. Hey, where's William and Linda?
Oh, they're not gonna make it tonight. They got some important work to do.
Ah, well, I feel bad for them. Oh well, maybe next time.
It's not fair. I feel like I'm doing all the boring jobs, while the others get to set up for the New Year's party. Well, just try not to ruin it for others. They really like the New Year's party.
I got to say, Stratford was nice to offer bringing people to our party.
Indeed.
Yes, indeed. Stratford was really nice to offer us his help.
Be careful, Stratford. It's very dark outside.
I'll be fine words now. I don't need to listen to little fussbot engines like you.
Alright, if you don't want my advice, then fine. I respect your decision.
I should be able to make it there. It isn't that far, is it? Oh, maybe here? Am I on the right line?
I'm not sure, lad. Best we keep going.
Hey, where's Stratford? He was supposed to be here quite a bit ago.
Let's just keep waiting. I know he'll make it eventually.
Wait, this isn't where I'm supposed to be.
I see somebody has lost their way, eh?
No, I haven't. I just lost my sense of direct. Alright, yes, I lost my way.
Why am I not surprised?
I'm sorry I didn't listen to you the first time. Can you help, please?
Of course I will. We're here!
There he is. I told you he'd arrive soon.
Where have you been? You were supposed to be here much earlier.
I thought I knew my way to your line, but I got lost on the way. Thanks for helping, Marcel. I know I can be stubborn at times.
It's okay. The important thing is you learned your lesson. Come on now, let's go home. We don't want to miss our New Year's party, now do we?
Sure. Maybe this time I won't get lost.